my YouTube channel. It is your beautiful girl Jody. Today I will be doing a unboxing video on my Fashion Nova haul right here. All these clothes I purchased on Fashion Nova, and guess what? I'm gonna do an unboxing video so I could show you guys exactly what I had purchased. These items, they were purchased on Black Friday, so I get all that nice sale, but your girl was under the weather, so I had to put this video on hold. So your girl is back in full effect to show you guys what I got. So let's get into this video. Let's go. All right. I'm just going to put this to the side right here. And let me just take them out one by one. So you know, they always put like this packaging slip inside it, so it tells me exactly what I got and the price, the style, the size, and so forth. Your girl is an extra small or a small. It all depends on the material. All right. So let me first start with this right here. So this one is called Reminds Me of You Velvet Jumpsuit. So I'm going to try this on and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me. But first, let's take it out. And normally when I buy new clothes, I always tend to wash it because I don't like the smell of new clothes. Okay? So this is what it looks like. This is a jumpsuit. It looks nice. I like the material, the texture and everything. It is really, really nice. I like this. And this is an extra small. Your girl is gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like right here. This is it. All right. So what I noticed with the jumpsuit that I just tried on and show you guys, this is the problem right here. It is too long. I don't like when, you know, I'm wearing clothes and it's too baggy on the floor. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm probably gonna take it to my local tailor so he could hem the foot of it so it doesn't look like this. I like my clothes to be comfy on me. And yeah, so this one is Baby I'm Outside Bucket Hat. All right, so I tried to buy like some fall winter outfits. Here it is. Look how the inside looks really warm, and this is, you know, it could fit all head type. This is what it looks like. I do like it. I like the fur on the side of it. Looks really nice. And they have that stitch on it. So let me try it on. Ooh, I like this. Tell me what you guys think about it. Oh, okay. Okay. Talk to me. Talk to me nice. Because your girl, I know this look nice. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. I like how it fits on my head. Fits really nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Comment below and tell me what you think. So this could wear if you're going outside, you know, it's snowing or it's cold, you know, even though it don't cover your ears, but it's really nice. It's just a nice little dressy hat that you could wear outside. It looks really nice, feels really nice, I should say. Yes, I like it. Now we are going to see what else we got in here. Okay, and this one is called Sadie Super Soft Turtleneck Sweater, and this is small. I love some turkey neck. And then I got my nice necklace I could wear with it. Tell me about it. And my nice hair, my hair is always slayed. So guess what? Your girl gonna rock this. All right. So as I mentioned, it's a winter slash fall. So let me try it on and show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. So basically this is what the turkey neck sweater looks like. Tell me if you guys like it. Let me hold up my hair so you guys could see it. I like it. It is warm. I like the texture of it. OMG, tell me about it. I do like it. Let me give you guys 360 so you guys could see. Ooh, I like this. And it stops right on my stomach right here. So yeah, take a closer look at the texture. I like this. Looks really nice and it is warm. And you could fold the neck if you don't want it too high. You could fold it just like that. But when I wear turkey neck, I always like this up here. Just give it that yeah, there it is. So this one now, it is a winter jacket. This is it. It is called 90s Find Fox leather coat. So this is a leather coat. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Ooh, I like this. Wow, this is nice. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But let me tell you, I like how the texture feels and I like the little furs on it. Ooh, I like it. And this one is, it's a small because I didn't want it too small, so I put a small. That's what I chose. As I mentioned, my size vary from extra small to small. All right, it doesn't have any button on it, but it has this little what is this right here, like a little hook to hook it, like to, you know, close it. It has a pocket right here. The pocket is really deep. It's right here, as you can see. I don't like the smell. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I do like it. You know, you get a nice little jeans, a nice little what is it? Like a little top, a little white top, your earrings, your bag. Nobody can talk to you. Let me know what you guys think. And this is the last and final one in this package. So let's open this one. This one is called, take note, metallic puffer jacket. So this is a winter jacket. See how they package it? So jacket like this, I do like them because it has this fur on the neck, and puffer jacket, I love them. It's something about puffer jacket. It give me that look, give me that nice cover, that nice, you know, look. Yes. So this is what this jacket looks like here. This is let me see the size. Normally I always purchase my jacket small. I always like to give it room because you know you're gonna wear clothes underneath it. So why buy an extra small when you put clothes underneath, like you know you're dressing up and then you're gonna put a jacket on. It's gonna be too tight. So this is where it is. Let me see. It's a small. And I paid $24.99 for it. All right. So it has 2 pockets. Has 2 pockets, and it got a button right here. Close it. So you could close the button right here. All right. It looks really warm, and it feels really warm too with the cloth inside. I do like it. I like it. I'm gonna split it on right here so you guys could see it real quick. See what I'm telling you? The small, look how it fits. It fits really nice. I like the inside of it. Smells nice. But I'm gonna go to the dry cleaner and I'm gonna get it washed. I don't like new clothes to smell. All right. So has a zipper in the middle, and I'm just gonna zip it up. Tell me what you think. And you can put this over your head like this. So tell me what you guys think. I like it. Tell me what you think. So it's really nice. And it has button like this, so you can put it like this. See that? And button so you guys could see. Tell me what y'all think. You could put the hood on top or you could drop the hood. Sometimes I rather put the hood down. If it's snowing, I put the hood on top. But tell me what you think. Should I come closer so you guys could see it? Let me come closer. It's giving. It's giving, guys. If you like this one, let me know how much you would rate this jacket. I will give it a 10 out of a 10 because it fits really nice on me, and inside is really warm, and also it has like a zipper, and also it has buttons. If I want to open the button to show the zipper, close it like that. It has this that I like, the hood if it's snowing, and it's really warm. Now I'm getting so hot, so guess what? Your girl gotta take it off. Let me show you the inside of it. Look, see the inside? Let me take it off so you guys could see it. This is what the inside looks like. 10 out of a 10. It is giving. So we are finished this packaging right here. So look what I got. So I got free Fashion Nova cash. So I got $10 here. It says free Nova cash, $10 off your next purchase. No minimum order value is required. 10. Ooh, I have a lot. Hold up. I got $40 in Fashion Nova cash. So I'm gonna put, they got a code and it expires December 24th of this year, 2024. So I got time to use it. And I'm gonna put it close to me so I could use it. Your girl love to shop and get new clothes. So what we have here, it is called Don't Rain on My Puffer Jacket. Alright. Ooh, another puffer jacket, guys. OMG. It's something, as I said, it's something about puffer jacket that I like. Yup. This is it right here. This is the back. It has 2 pockets, but it doesn't has a a button right here. It's open. It's an open pocket. Put it on right here quick and fast so you guys could see it. Yes, love it. Feels warm already. Wow. Turn around so you guys could see it. Zipper it up. Wow. Comes straight up to my neck. And also it has here a hood. Here it is. The hood is on top. I'm gonna take the hood off, but I'm just showing you guys there's a hood on top. Like this. And this is it. This is it. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I like it. I give it a 10 out of a 10. What do you guys think? It's the material. The material is like a little silk puffer jacket. Yes, it's really warm. It looks nice. I would wear this like in, you know, with black, gray, brown, white. Could go with anything, any color. I like it. Yep. Love it. What do you guys think? You could zipper down the coat. Could put it like this. Yeah, it's given. Got the inside. The inside is nice. I do like it. What do you guys think? You could zip it up, you could zip it down, you could open it. Yeah, it's given. I like it. Yeah. Also, we have another jacket. This is a jacket. I purchased it so I could wear it to work. This one is called, let's see what it's called. Cold Times Puffer Jacket. And this is a black, which is a small again. So this is what it looks like. It's not that puff as the other one, but yes. It's a simple jacket to wear to work in the winter. I like the inside of it. Looks nice. Let's try it on. I like it. I would give this one a 9.5 because it's puffer jacket and it's not that puffy. Yeah, I would rate this one a 9.5. Yes, I like it. Tell me what you guys think. Let me show you guys here. Wow, see that? What you guys think? Tell me. It also has a hood. Also has a hood. Yep. Tell me, what do you think? How much you would rate this puffer jacket right here? How much? I could move. It's not tight at all. I could move around my hand. It's not tight, but I would just give it a 9.5 because it says puffer jacket. It's not puffy. It's just flat. If you understand what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, it's flat. The other puffer jacket, those are real puffy. As you put it on, it goes pop. Yes. It's nice. I like the texture and everything. The inside is really warm. It's given, guys. But I would just give it a 9.5. This one is effortless rib jacket. This one now, guys, it's like a sweater. It's a top. It's right here. Nova Sport. So this I buy it like for the summer or when it gets a little chilly, I wear it. So yeah. I'm gonna try it on. It's a set. Let me find the bottom piece. It's a set. This is not it. Baby got back rumper. Here it is. Alright, so as again I said, it's Nova Sport. You can see effortless knit rib seamless hot short. Oh, it's a shorts. Oh, it's a shorts, guys. Okay. This is what it is. Oh yes, I need a nice sneakers to wear with this. Here is the sports top. You could fold it like this. The top is a small, and because I need the matching outfit, the bottom is a medium, but just need a little bit more weight. That'll be good. And so now here it has where you can put your finger in like that, so it looks like this, but I don't like it like this, so I'm not gonna put my finger in. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. But let me just put both my fingers in so you guys could see what I'm talking about. So this is it. You know, if you want to go to the gym or wherever, you could do it like this. See, it's good. I like it. It's giving. So here it is. Here it is when I put that. It's right on my stomach. That's the length right here on my stomach. And the shorts, the short is just kind of too big. So this one is Aspen High Rise Stretch Skinny Jeans. So I'm gonna show you guys this one. So it's white, and my size of my pants, it is size 0. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right here. Tell me what you guys think. You guys like it? You guys like how it fit? Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know in the comment section, all right? Now we're going to see this one. I think this one is a holiday pajama. It says holiday cheer plush PJ joggers. Looks really nice. I like this little bow at the top right here that it has. Yep. And it's really soft. You know those little nice, cozy joggers, winter. Yes, winter PJs. Yup, I like it. The inside is really, really, really soft. OMG, really nice. I like the material. I would rate this a 10 out of a 10. And it is a size small. Yes, I like to, you know, I like it like a little joggy inside when I'm in the house. Yes, not too big, not too small, just sitting right. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys here what it looks like. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section what you think and how much you would rate this outfit right here. This to the joggers. Let me know. It looks really nice. Now we're going on to this one. This one is called Baby Got Back Romper. So this is a nice little romper right here. It has a zipper. Yes, it looks really nice. See the zipper right here. All right. Put the zipper back. It has short sleeves. And this probably reached me at my knee. Yes. And this is a size extra small because it's stretch. See, it's stretch. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here when I tried it on. Yep. Now what we're gonna have here, this one is an extra small, super soft fox leather pants. So this is a leather pants as well. Alright, so they package it right like this with this again. And you put this inside of it. And this is what it looks like. So this leather pants right here. I'm gonna show you guys here what it looks like, so you guys can see the full effect, how it sits on me or how it looks. Here again, I have this little the corset top that I would wear with the leather pants or any pants that I have. Here it is. So here now I have me this work out for me laser cut seamless legging. So this is a legging and this is a small slash extra small. Color pink. I think it's is it a set? I'm not even sure if it's a set. But the color pink, this color pink, I like this. Look at it. And it has those little holes in it. Ooh, I like this. Wow. The pink color, it's giving. I like the waistband. It'll stretch a little bit, but not that much. Ooh, I like this. The color is everything. I know this fit me. Yes. This is yeah, it's extra small slash small. Yes, so I know this. Yeah, I know this is gonna be nice on me. I think there's a top for it. Yes, this is the top right here, guys. Workout for me laser cut seamless jacket. Oh, it's a jacket. Okay. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. What it is, huh? What's up? Ooh. Look at this. I like this. And the color, I think pink is not my favorite color, but I think this color pink is gonna suit me right. It's long sleeve too. And it's easy fitting. Look, it got a zipper at the top, not buttons, zipper. Look. Look how easy that is. And you could just push your hands in it. It's something similar to this. Wow, look at that. You could wear like a little white crop top underneath it, or you could just wear it just as is. Look at it. Wow. It looks really nice. And it's stretched, the top stretch. The elastic in it, it has elastic in it. Yes, I do like it. Let me know what y'all think. Here, I have this jumpsuit. Ooh, this is everything. I wanted this outfit so bad. It just looks sexy and nice. Look at it. Wow. Look at it, guys. Ooh. Tell me about it. And it's sheer. Wow. The quality of this is everything. I give this an 8.5 until I try it on to see how it fits on me. So you know this is gonna reach me at my ankle because this length is stretchy. See, as you can see, it's stretchy, guys. I'm gonna show you right here what it looks like. It's giving. Here we have sandy mineral wash rib jumpsuit gray, and the size is a small. Please make this be a fit for me. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, yes. I have a Jordan I want to wear with this. I like this. This could fit me. So it is a jumpsuit and it's not buttoned, it's zipper. So there is a zip There it is. Long sleeve, and it's just a long sleeve. It doesn't have like this where you put your hand inside of it like this. No, it's just a regular long sleeve. I like this. If you're going grocery shopping or you're running around, you could just drag this on and just go ahead about your business. I like it. Now this is Live More Puffer Vest. So this is like a vest. It's an extra small. They didn't have a small, so just buy the extra small. So this is what it comes out like. After the packaging has this inside of it. Put that there. It's just a little vest. Yes, and it has this little thing if you want to adjust it. If you want to tighten it like that, or you want to loosen it. Yes. Has a zipper in the middle. Just open it. I'm just gonna put it on real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just a style these days. It has no sleeves. Tell me what you guys think. You could wear it open like this, and you could close it up. What do you guys think? And it has 2 pockets. Let me know what y'all think. Let me show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. There it is, the back. And this is what it looks in the front. You just put your hand in the middle like this. What you guys think? Let me know what y'all thinking in the comment section. Drop your comment and let me know. And I like the texture of it. The material is good. I love the material. And it fits me right, just right. Not too small, not too big. It fits just right. See, I can lift my hand up, hand down. Fits right. I love it. And if you want to just put the zipper halfway, go like that, fits just right. And it looks really nice with this that I have on too. What you guys think? Nice, right? I think it's worth $15. Yeah, it's worth it. Yes. You could wear this with a jumpsuit, a nice top, a regular top, you name it. Good, I like it. And we have one more here in the bag. This one is Sleigh Bells Ring Sleep Romper. So this is like a Christmas romper. Let's take it out and see what it's like. So this is a nice little romper. This is what it looks like. It's right here. If you want to purchase it as well, go ahead and do so. Yes. But I'll give this a 7. How much you would rate it? Comment below and let me know how much you would rate this romper. And last but not least, this is a throw it on ribbed cardigan, small. Tell me about this. Ooh, this is nice. Cardigan. Do you like this, guys? I like it. What do you guys think? Let me try it on right now. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. Look, guys, what do you guys think? you guys think? That's the back of it. What do you guys think? I like this. It fits really nice. It's cut to fit. I like how this. Ooh, I love the material. This is good for $5, and it has 2 pockets. See right here, 2 pockets. See that? And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like everything that you see here. Give me your honest feedback in the comment section and let me know what you like that I had tried on. Let me know in the comment section. Rate this video a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, please stay safe. I cannot emphasize this anymore. Please stay safe, stay prayed up, drink your water, stay hydrated, and your girl love each and every one of you guys. More videos are coming up. Let me know what video you would like to see next, and your girl will definitely make it happen. Let me know. So see you soon. Bye for now. Bye guys.